What's up, familia? ¿Cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Jessica and this is my series on Instant Pot basics. In this series, I'll be showing you how to make all these basic things to help inspire all your different recipes in the Instant Pot, of course. We're kicking things off with shredded chicken. Not only is the shredded chicken perfect for meal prep and super easy, I'm gonna show you how to get the perfect, juiciest, flavorful chicken straight from your freezer. Yeah, I know. Sometimes we forget to take the chicken out to thaw it out, and sometimes we just don't have time to cook. So don't even worry. Let's just get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Season the chicken however you like, but I think this combination of seasonings and herbs really gives so much flavor even to frozen chicken. Garlic powder, dried onion, basil, oregano, paprika, whole peppercorns, and sea salt. Today, I'm making almost 2 pounds of frozen chicken breast. Let's just pause for a moment. Tip number 1, separate each frozen chicken breast before cooking. I found it takes longer to cook if you leave it in a giant block like I did. Well, all we have to do is place the chicken inside the Instant Pot. Throw your herbs and spices on top and try to mix it in well. We're going to add 1.5 cups of chicken broth. I like to use bone broth. This liquid step is so important in attaining the juiciest results. Now close and lock your lid. Make sure your valve is turned to sealing so the pressure does not escape. And for medium-sized chicken breasts, we're going to hit pressure cook and cook for 15 minutes on high pressure. When it's done, leave it alone for 10 to 15 minutes so that the pressure releases slowly, naturally. And we're done! Look at how beautifully the chicken falls apart. All we need is 2 forks to pull this chicken apart into shreds. So easy. Family, if your chicken has not cooked, or you forgot to separate the frozen chicken breast like you remember I did, not to worry, simply let it cook for 2 more minutes on high pressure. So while I shred this chicken, let's talk about some other questions you might have. Your cooking time depends entirely on the size of the chicken breast. I'm going to list all the different sizes of frozen chicken breasts and the times here for you. If your chicken is not frozen, use the same times I listed. Just release your pressure as soon as it's done instead of letting it natural release. If you want to double the recipe, you can use the same times I listed. The only important thing to remember is the size of the individual chicken breast you're using. This shredded chicken will stay fresh in your fridge for 3 to 4 days. I wouldn't recommend freezing the cooked shredded chicken if it was previously frozen, just because they say that food shouldn't be frozen more than one time. This quick shredded chicken has inspired so many different recipes, from a Thai chicken to even chicken enchiladas, you name it, like salads. It's so good. But I just want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments what you're going to use the shredded chicken or how it's going to inspire your cooking in the future. I'd love to know. And let me know if you want a video on all the different ways that I use shredded chicken. And subscribe if you want to, of course. I would love to have you part of this growing family I have here on YouTube. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to leave me a little like. And until the next video, ciao!